I wanna show you how to add any song longer in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already finished my project, but the song that I want to use is a little bit short for the video length. In case if you don't see, go to the Essential Sound panel. If you don't see this panel, go to the Windows menu and activate the Essential Sound panel. Once you are in the Essential Sound, click on the Music label and then check the box next to Duration. This will give you two options, Remix and Stretch. To extend your track, keep the default settings on Remix. Now, adjust the target duration to match the length of your video. As the result, Premiere Pro will automatically rearrange and blend parts of your song, stretching it smoothly to fit your project timeline. Perfect guys, help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.